Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Bionic Spotlights outdoor solar-powered lighting solution on the market, the Bell+Howell Bionic Spotlight Motion Solar Spotlights. If you're looking for a reliable, super bright, and energy-efficient outdoor light that adds both security and style to your garden, lawn, or yard, this product might just be what you need. The Bell+Howell Bionic Spotlight is designed with industrial-grade solar panels that capture sunlight efficiently throughout the day. This energy is stored to power the LED spotlight at night, giving you bright illumination without the need for any wiring or electrical outlets. That means it's completely cordless, making installation a breeze. One of the standout features of this solar spotlight is its highly accurate motion sensor. It can detect movement up to 25 feet away, and when triggered, it lights up instantly. After 30 seconds without any motion, the light automatically turns off to save battery life. This makes it an excellent security addition to your home, lighting up pathways, patios, or any outdoor area whenever movement is detected. Durability is a key factor with outdoor lighting, and the Bell+Howell Bionic Spotlight excels here. It's built with weather-resistant, high-grade materials that make it water and frost-resistant. This means it's capable of withstanding harsh weather conditions year-round, whether it's rain, snow, or intense sun, ensuring consistent performance no matter the season. The design is modern and functional, and the product comes with stakes and installation hardware, allowing you to easily mount it on your fence, stake it into the ground along walkways, or place it anywhere you need extra light. The versatility in installation options means you can customize your outdoor lighting exactly how you want it. In terms of brightness, the Bell+Howell Bionic Spotlight is about 50% brighter than many other solar floodlights and spotlights on the market, offering coverage of up to 600 square feet. This makes it ideal for illuminating larger areas and improving visibility and safety around your home during the night. To summarize, the Bell+Howell Bionic Spotlight Motion Solar Spotlight combines ease of use, motion detection, weather resistance, and impressive brightness to deliver an efficient and dependable outdoor lighting solution. If you want a hassle-free, energy-saving way to brighten your outdoor spaces with added security, this is definitely a product worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights and reviews. See you in the next video.